Hola Gonzaba familia, we're so glad that you're joining us here today. We're here in our event center, bringing the event center to you since you can't come to us today. My name is Francine Pina, and we're going to be working on a couple of crafts today. I'm with my friend Ana Soto and Steven Vargas.
Hi everyone, hi everybody out there in Gonzaba land. I just wanted to say thank you for joining us and watching our Facebook page. We are going to be here doing, I guess, bunnies. So I have the glue gun in my hand, God help us, okay? And we're gonna be doing bunnies, decorating with little tails and things like that. We know that right now our event center is closed to everyone, so what we wanna do is we wanna bring the events to you at your home to give you something to do while everyone's being self-quarantined right now because of the COVID-19. Also too, just wanted to mention, Gonzaba Medical Group is still running. We are still here for you. We are accepting new patients. If you have any questions about joining Gonzaba, and any questions about your Medicare plans, anything like that, please feel free to give us a call, okay? Right now I'm gonna turn it over to Ana. She's gonna let you know everything that we're gonna be doing in Spanish.
Hola a todos que nos están viendo en casa, mi nombre es Ana y el día de hoy vamos a hacer conejitos con materiales que tenemos en nuestra casa. Tenemos cartones, hojas, algunos algodones, así que estamos usando esta nueva manera de traer los eventos a su casa para que los pueda ver desde su teléfono o computadora. También queremos decirle que Gonzaba sigue aceptando pacientes, así que si tienen alguna pregunta, por favor llame al número que ve en pantalla.
So one of the things I want you all to know today is these are two examples of the little bunnies that we're making. My kids made this one, my son William made this one, and Vivian made this one, but these are just examples. The creativity is up to you. However you want to make your Easter bunny, it's just fine. I'll walk you through a couple of steps. Steven's gonna do his bunny a little bit differently. Anna's gonna do her bunny a little bit differently. So this is just a fun activity since we're all indoors right now. I'm gonna make mine using your basic toilet paper roll. If you don't have a toilet paper roll, you can use a sheet of paper the way Ana did.
So yes, Francine, you have the paper. So pretty much what we're gonna do is just a normal paper. It could be white in color, whatever you have in house. So utilizar un papel puede ser de cualquier color que tengan y nada más lo van a poner así en círculos y tienen su tape, así como le hice en este. Y ya, ahí está listo.
So we have lots of different supplies with us today. So however you want to do it is absolutely fine. We have crayons, color pencils, markers, some paint. So we'll just kind of talk through what we're doing here. Everybody's bunny is going to be a little bit different. And I think I'm going to start making mine white using some paint. My kids decided to make theirs white by just wrapping a white sheet of paper around theirs, cutting it and taping it. No right or wrong way. Everybody's bunny is gonna be different. So let's go ahead and get started, everybody. One of the things we wanted to point out to you guys is after you make your bunny, make sure that you post the picture in the comment section. We're gonna be doing a raffle, and the way to enter is for you to post the picture of your final product. So we can't wait to see what your bunny looks like. I think we're gonna be raffling away a $50 HEB gift card. Use it for curbside, delivery, go into the store during those early senior hours that are available. Who couldn't use an HEB gift card right now?
Y para los que hablan español, así que cuando terminen de hacer su conejito, pónganlo por favor en nuestra página las fotos porque vamos a estar regalando premios, un certificado de HEB. Qué padre. Not that great, Steven?
No, so I think I'm gonna get in trouble because I'm actually using the decorations that they have on the table as the bunnies. So those are supposed to be the arms, okay? But I'll make it work somehow, trust me. Francine, do we get to participate in the drawing?
Unfortunately, Gonzaba employees are not eligible. But we still want to see the picture of your bunny posted afterwards.
Yeah, so my bunny can do two things. One, it has arms, and secondly, it's a bunny airplane as well for the kids at home. So try to throw it in the area. I mean, it'll fly. We're going to make it work. I hope Esther doesn't get mad at me. Esther, I'm using your decorations, okay?
So one of the fun things is we decided it would be neat to use toothpicks as the whiskers. So if you wanted to use glue, you could put toothpicks as the whiskers. If you don't have a toothpick, another thing that would work really well is a little thing of raw spaghetti, and you can break it down in the right size and put it there. So I'm gonna use the toothpick as
Raw spaghetti?
raw spaghetti, yes.
We can't use spaghetti. Everything's being sold out of HEB. We gotta save everything we can to eat.
Well, it's just one. The point of this is to use things that you have in your home already.
Yes.
Yarn,
Raw spaghetti,
yarn.
but I don't have spaghetti because we couldn't get any at the store, so we're using ramen noodles. Everybody knows what ramen noodles are? You know what ramen noodles are. That's old school.
So your
No, I'm just kidding. Don't use ramen noodles.
your bunny is gonna have curly whiskers because isn't ramen kind of curly?
Well, yeah, after you make it. But I don't think it's gonna last after you make it. It smells good. I like the chicken flavor.
But right now we can't be picky.
No.
Whatever flavor we get at the store.
Yes.
Because they're doing a lot of substitutions for
Yes,
our
they
items.
are. Yes, they are.
Lo más importante es también comprar cosas saludables, así. Hay que mantenernos saludables.
Yes.
Can I borrow the glue gun there?
Yes. This glue gun is fantastic. I love playing with this thing. I've never known. And we have glue guns at the house. I've always wondered how my wife uses it, and I never knew how it went.
And she's gonna put you to craft now. See, I'm gonna use the glue gun to use a cotton ball as the little tail. I'm not gonna use the whole piece of cotton ball, but I'm gonna put that there as the little tail. I decided to put the cotton ball before I drew the face because the paint is obviously still a little bit wet as I get my hands a little dirty here.
While Francine is finishing up banana, I'm done.
Oh,
So here's
my.
my bunny. What do you think? Do y'all like this bunny? It's pretty cool, right? So at least I know I have job security in case it doesn't work out at Gonzaba. I can always do arts and crafts at Michael's. What do you think? Yes! Ready to go. And for the kids that are out there watching as well, the grandparents, if you have your grandchildren watching the video as well and teaching them how to do this, or they're doing it as well, I want to let the grandkids know, the babies, Easter Bunny is still coming, okay? The COVID-19 is not affecting the Easter Bunny. He's strong and powerful. We spoke to him the other day, and he's still making the visit. So make sure you are good, behave, wake up in the morning on Easter. I'm sure you'll find your Easter baskets with a lot of great things in them, okay? So the Easter Bunny is still going.
Okay, so far my bunny has a tail and the whiskers. So I still need the mouth and the eyes. Try to decide what I want to make my eyes out of. My mouth, I think I'll make it pink. Stephen, you did pretty good there, making your bunny kind of fast.
I did.
I cannot wait to see what your bunnies look like. So don't forget to post those pictures when you're done.
While the Francine and Anna are finishing up their bunnies, I just want to bring again to your attention that Gonzaba Medical Group, remember, we are accepting new patients. We are still here for you. If you have any questions about your health insurance, you got something in the mail that you didn't understand, if you have questions about joining Gonzaba Medical Group, wanting to choose a doctor, you can give us a call. Okay, you can either call 921-3800. We'll have a phone number also posted on our Facebook page that you can call a hotline as well. That can help answer any questions. We do have our experts on the phones waiting. So we are here. We are still accepting patients. The COVID-19 is not going to stop us. Okay, Gonzaba is going strong. As a matter of fact, this is our 60th year with Gonzaba Medical Group. So please give us a call if you have any questions. We're here to help you. Also, too, keep looking on our Facebook page because we're going to have other activities coming up, right, Francine?
Yes, every Wednesday. Make sure you tune in every Wednesday. It could be a craft. It could be something educational. We could have a guest speaker. We have something lined up every single Wednesday. So make sure you tune in and watch us.
Cada martes, como mis compañeros dijeron, vamos a tener diferentes actividades, así que por favor, a ponerlo en su calendario. Todos los martes vamos a tener actividades para decorar, para los que no somos tan decorativos como yo. También vamos a tener diferentes tipos, cosas para aprender, algo de mantenernos ocupados y seguir aprendiendo.
Yes, what she said.
Okay, I just thought of something very fun. Is we also want to see your comments as far as whose bunny y'all think is the best bunny. I'm not at all competitive, but we're going to be wrapping it up here soon. So I'll show you our bunnies, and then you can post the pictures of your bunnies.
Yes. Also, I want to bring it to your attention. Of course, I'm not a doctor, but by what we've been trained and what we've been taught, and everybody knows as well, we are practicing, as you can see, social distancing. We're staying apart from each other. Make sure you're washing your hands before your activity starts and after your activity, okay? What you want to do, the way we tell the kids, wash your hands and sing either for 20 seconds or the happy birthday song. I think you need to sing it twice, right? 2 times in a row.
Yes.
While you're washing your hands. And you wash, make sure you get the top, okay? Also too, they say to bend your fingers like this, rub them on your palm, so you can make sure you're getting your fingers, and use your nails or your fingers to scrub your hands as well like this on both sides. And I always wash up to at least to my wrist, a little bit further higher. So make sure you're washing your hands, keep away from people, social distancing. Make sure also too you're wiping down all your tables and your doorknobs, any kind of handles that you have at your house that you may use, that you think of, any door handles, your doors, your drawers, your cabinets, anything like that. Make sure you wipe them down daily, because we're all in this together and we're going to defeat COVID-19, and we're going to do it the Gonzaba way.
I realized that I forgot my bunny didn't have ears as I put him here with everybody else's. I realized that my bunny did not have ears. What I did to make the ears of my bunny was I cut little slim pieces of the toilet paper roll to make ears.
Where did my bunny go?
I put him over here for the competition.
Oh, so we're in the competition?
We're in the competition. We want to see your comments. What bunny do you like most?
They put my bunny in the contest. Vote for Steven. So thank you again for joining us today on this Wednesday, we'll call it Senior Arts and Crafts. We made our bunnies. Make sure you post your bunnies on Facebook. Send us the pictures. We are going to be doing the judging on the bunnies. You can have a chance to win a $50 gift card to HEB. We want to let you know that Gonzaba is here. We're fighting strong with COVID-19. You're not alone. Gonzaba's fighting the battle with you. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We are accepting new patients. Any questions on your insurance, don't hesitate. We have right now we have representatives on the phone waiting for you to call in, okay? So again, Gonzaba Medical Group, we're here 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Don't forget, we're fighting the battle against COVID-19 with you. Tune in next Wednesday to see what we have going on. We're not going to tell you yet, but it'll be a surprise. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Gracias. Hasta luego.
Bye.